Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 2nd, class 4, chapter 2nd, history of computer. Student, in this chapter we have to discuss about some early calculating device. Before their calculator, before the computer, people also performs calculations. So we have to discuss about these different types of devices. These devices are very interesting to about them. We have to also discuss about some scientists who developed the different time for a different time. So ready? Okay, start. First all we have to start our computer, our chapter. What is computer? Students, what is computer? As you know, computer is an electronic device which takes input from user and produce output to the user. But student, first time when the human was thinking about developing this machine, so that was developed especially to perform the calculations, not to do this kind of this. But after a time of period, we have to develop this machine. We are doing the different types of job. We have to perform different types of jobs on this machine. And notice also here, Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. We have to also discuss about why we call Charles Babbage as the father of computer. But student, Charles Babbage didn't develop any computer. Charles Babbage ने तो कोई computer develop ही नहीं किया. So why we call him, why we regard him as a father of computer? So the major thing is he developed two machines, difference engine and analytical engine. Your working principle of your modern computer system, which takes from Charles Babbage's machines. Charles Babbage की मशीन से ही आपके मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर का वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल लिया गया. That's why we call him as a father of, regard as a father of computer. Now we have to discuss about the different devices for the past time, human use for the calculations. Okay, so ready. Abacus was the, you can say, the oldest, the first calculating device. Okay students, abacus was the first calculating device. It was developed about 5000 years ago. आज से लगभग 5000 साल पहले इसको डेवलप किया था. स्पेशली इट वाज यूज इन चाइना, जापान एंड रसिया. सबसे ज़्यादा इसका यूज़ किया जाता था जापान, चाइना और रशिया में यूज़ किया जाता था. Abacus was invented by Egyptians and later developed by Chinese and Japanese. Abacus is being used since 540 BC. It is still in use in some parts of China and Japan. Student, it was developed 5000 years ago, used in China and Japan. Now listen how it works. The upper part, your abacus has the two part. The upper part, known as heaven, has 2 beads in each rod, and lower part has 5 beads in each rod and is known as earth. The students, your abacus has the two part. Upper part is known as heaven and the lower part is known as earth. There is the 7 rods in the abacus na. So no upper part there is the 2 beads in each rods and the lower part has 5 beads in each rod. After the abacus, once the John Napier was the Scottish mathematician. He developed a machine that was known as Napier bones. Students, in this we have to Napier bones. John Napier, one was the scientist, a Scottish mathematician, developed a manually operated calculating device named as Napier's bones. It was considered to be the world's first calculator that could multiply, divide, and find the square root of a number. Students, what was the functions done by the Napier's bones? Napier's bone can perform 3 main functions. One was it was capable to do multiplication. it can divide numbers, and it can be also used for the find out the square root of a number. Pascaline. In 1962, French mathematician Blaise Pascal developed an adding machine known as Pascal's adding machine. The other name of Pascal's adding machine is the Pascaline. Student, it was developed in 1642, developed by Blaise Pascal. And student, Blaise Pascal belongs to the France. Leibniz machine. The machine was developed 30 years after Pascal's arithmetical machines. A German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz developed a mechanical calculator in 1673 and named it Stepped Rockner. इसका नेम क्या था? Stepped Rockner. It was developed by the Gottfried Leibniz. कब हुआ? In 1673. Gottfried belongs to the Germany because he was a German mathematician. Analytical engine. This machine was developed by the Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was a professor of mathematics in Cambridge University, England, in the year 1822. He designed and developed a machine known as difference engine. After working on the difference engine for 10 years, Babbage designed another machine named as analytical engine, which could perform the task based on instructions. Lady Ada Augusta. This is the lady. It was known as the first computer program in the computer's history. She developed the concept of binary number system and applied in programming techniques. Hence, she is known as the first program of the universe. The computer language ADA was named after her. Okay, student. So this lady Augusta is known as the first computer programmer of the universe. Exercise. Fill in the blanks. Blank developed a machine for adding and subtraction. Blaise Pascal ने एक machine develop किया था. What was the name of that machine? Pascaline. Pascaline was the first machine which was able to perform addition and subtraction. Blank is known as father of computer, Charles Babbage. The first mechanical computer is known as Mark I. The number of beats present in lower part and upper part of abacus is lower part में कितने हैं? 5 beats and upper part has 2 respectively. Abacus was the first calculating device. The primitive people use pebbles and fingers as their counting. पहले जो लोग होते थे ancient time में, that time there was the no pen, no paper, no pencil, no devices. So how they have to calculate? They calculate things using the fingers and the pebbles. Pebbles, no, no, student. The pieces of small, you can say stone and these bones. True, false. Addition and subtraction could be performed by using Napier's bonds. False. Students, as you know, Napier's bonds can perform multiplication, division, and to find the square root of a number. William Autor developed Pascaline. No, students, you know Blaise Pascal developed Pascaline. Abacus was the first counting device. Yes, this is true. Abacus was the first calculating device. Difference engine could not be used for complete calculations. False. Students, you know difference engine can do calculation. Harvard as I can develop ENIAC. Yes, Harvard as I can develop ENIAC. Yes, this is the first electronic computer. The full form of ENIAC, students listen careful. E for electronic, N for numeric, I for integrated, A for and C for calculator. So electronic, numeric, integrated and calculator. It is the full form of ENIAC. Write a short note on Pascal's adding machine. Student, in 1642, French mathematician Blaise Pascal developed an adding machine known as Pascal's adding machine or Pascaline. Leibniz machine. The machine was developed 30 years after the Pascal's arithmetical machine. A German mathematician, Gottfried Leibniz, developed a mechanical calculator in 1673 and named it Stabsrechner. How does an abacus works? Explain. Students, sometimes before also we have to discuss about the abacus structure. It has the two part. The upper part is heaven, the lower part is earth. Upper part has 2 beads in each rod and lower part has 5 beads in each rod. So we have to perform calculations by moving these beads up and down. So the upper part, known as heaven, has 2 beads and each rod, and the lower part has 5 beads in each rod. For calculation to move these beads, तो ये beads होती हैं, these we have to just move to perform calculations. What was a Napier's bonds? John Napier is a Scottish mathematician, developed a manually operated calculating device named as Napier's bonds. It was considered to be the world's first calculator that could multiply, divide and find square root. Students, John Napier ने क्या बनाया था? Napier's bonds. What was the features of this machine? This machine can perform multiplication, division, and this can be also find out the square root of a number. Lady Ada Augusta is regarded as world's first program. Why? Because she developed the first programming language. That was the Ada. What is significance of Mark I's computer? It was the first machine that could automatically perform calculations according the programmed instructions. What is the contribution made by Charles Babbage in the history of computer? Explain. Charles Babbage developed 2 machines, one the analytical engine and another was difference engine. Thank you students. Thank you very much.